Hey all, welcome back to Social Studies. Hopefully you had a good spring break. I'm guessing that it probably wasn't the spring break that you had envisioned maybe a month or so ago, but I'm hoping everybody had the opportunity to maybe relax a little bit, have a little time to kind of reset, and is able to dive back into a little bit of learning here. We finished up our unit on the West, and now we're going to start working with our passion projects a little bit this week, and that's going to focus really around timelines. So I'm going to speak to those a little bit. But as you look at the week ahead, we are going to be reviewing timelines and practicing and doing a practice timeline activity today. You're going to submit that activity when you're finished, so that should be all turned in today. Then, as we look ahead at Thursday and at next Tuesday, we're going to be researching the history of your passion project, and you're going to be creating a timeline in Google Slides that you'll be using as a component, one piece of that passion project. So, timelines. Hopefully, you've had some experience with them. I'm thinking, and I know that some of you have talked about experience in the past, and they're really great for giving us a visual picture of the order of events. And that's really important when we're trying to see cause and effect. We're trying to see the connections between these events. And those might be events that are happening in the same place in the world, but it's also really cool to look at how different events around the world are happening at the same time and the impact that one event has on the entire world. So it's really important that we see that you can visualize it. So again, you're going to be creating these timelines to get this visual of the history of your project. Now there's a minute of video here, and this slideshow is available for you, so you can go and watch this video. If you do, just watch the first 2 minutes and 53 seconds. The second half looks at mapping, but it talks about why timelines are important. In today's activity, you're going to be looking at the invention of you are going to look at inventions, birthdays. And so we're going to explore that. You've got a Google Doc that's available for you, and there's a video there as well that kind of walks you through that assignment. But the directions are on the top. You're basically trying to figure out when you think different inventions were created, and then you're going to place those in a timeline connected to what was happening in American history at the time. Hopefully that's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, please make sure to contact me or Miss Fred so we can help you along with that project and help you along with that assignment. We want to be here to help you. And as always, if there are some things that you're struggling with or things that you think we can do to help make this a better learning experience for you, please make sure to give us some feedback. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye.